I Built It Smarter was really born out of necessity. We'd gone through 5 or 6 years of supplying products to people all over Australia and hearing some great stories about how their lives had changed through a deck or a patio that they'd built and how their family time was enhanced with those wonderful areas. But it was really hard to get visual imagery of that. And we would ask customers and they'd be busy, or sometimes we'd get a photo and a bit of a blurb, and that gave us a really good feeling. And it was like, well, why don't we come up with an idea to try and promote people to share what they've done, because people should be proud of what they've built. And so the idea behind IBIS, I Built It Smarter, the acronym being IBIS, was to encourage people to share what they've done and to be proud of what they've done. And then, of course, potentially win some great money, some life-changing money with that. And that helped us see what we were supplying as well, so that all of our team could be invested emotionally in those projects too.